Bushfires happen. They're a natural part of the Australian landscape. In fact, they've been a constant phenomenon in Australia for many thousands of years. Many plants and animals rely on fire to survive. But when there's the right combination of fuels and weather, fires can burn out of control and impact life, property, and the environment, with devastating consequences. Southeastern Australia, including Tasmania, is particularly prone to fire. In fact, it's regarded as one of the most bushfire-prone regions in the world. Although fire forms an important part of the environment and remains essential for biodiversity and renewal, as we know, uncontrolled, its effects can be catastrophic. In the past, Tasmania has experienced periodic bushfire events that have caused devastating loss to life and property. Some in this room experienced firsthand the ferocity of these types of events, as recently as the summer of 2013. Climate scientists are telling us that bushfires are likely to become more frequent and more extreme. But you already know most of this, so let's cut to the chase. Anyway, just what is bushfire risk? Well, first things first. Before answering that question, we need to ask a couple more. How likely is it that a fire will impact a particular area or thing? And what's the outcome if it does? Answering these questions may seem straightforward, but in all honesty, straightforward is not a word that comes to mind when dealing with bushfire risk. So here's how we do it. To get us started, we use sophisticated computer models. These help us to understand risk at a statewide scale. The team at State Fire Management Council have been doing just that, using some high-tech computers and bushfire science. The State Fire Management Council has been able to produce computer models that show where bushfire risk is highest. These statewide risk models allow us to broadly identify which areas require risk treatment, or at least which areas need further investigation. But we can't leave it at that. It's all about reaching one vital outcome: reducing bushfire risk. So how do we do it? As you know, one size doesn't fit all. So one approach won't fix the problem. And, of course, not every solution works in every situation. Just as an example, fuel reduction burning does not entirely eliminate risk, and it may not be an effective or suitable option in all circumstances. So it's only one of several risk mitigation options, along with fire prevention, mechanical fuel removal, building design, land use planning, fire trail and fire break construction, bushfire response, personal bushfire survival plans, and community engagement in promoting safety options. This is why we have more than one tool in our toolbox that we can use for different reasons and in different places. Our approach is to look into ways of dealing with risk and to work out the ways that suit each situation best. It's all about improving prevention, preparedness and response for the Tasmanian community.